Alright guys, I just have a quick video today about the Pro 2 and some possible mods you can do to it. So what I did to it, just because I like this keyboard, it's Bluetooth, so what I use it for is I use it around the house on smart TVs and stuff like that. And I have it connected to everything, and I just use it whenever, like, in my room on my TV. You can connect it to like a Raspberry Pi or like a little computer if you run your TVs and stuff off your computers. So what I did is I just got it when I got it a while back. I got it with gateron Browns, and the typing experience stock on a keyboard is not great. So what I decided to do is I desoldered them all the switches. I lubed them all up with some Krytox 205 and 105 mixed together, and then I clipped, lubed, bandaid modded the stabs, and dielectric grease on the wire, and it turned out a lot better. So let me give you a before sound of the keyboard. As you can see, the before sound it's pretty rough. It's pingy, it's rattly. The stabilizers vibrate. It's loud, and it's not an overall good typing experience. So let me go ahead and give you the after, and I hope you like it. As you can see, after, it sounds so much better. It feels so much better. And if you know how to solder, or you just really love your Pro 2, there is people that you can send it to and have them desolder it, lube it, and solder it for you. They make aftermarket cases for it. Because the Pro 2 is a good little off the shelf keyboard, and I like to keep it around, even though I have way better high end Macs. I still like to keep the Pro around just because it's a good little keyboard. And I highly suggest it if you like your Pro, even your Ducky, modding it and desoldering it, lubing the switches, and fixing up the stabilizers, and your typing experience will be overall just light years better. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.